Hello everyone! So this is Edmond. Mindaros Channel, isang content creator at gumagawa ng mga tutorials katulad ng laptop, PC troubleshootings, mobile device troubleshootings at marami pang ibang klaseng tutorials na sinishare ko dito sa aking channel. At sa video ito ay pag-uusapan natin at i-guide ko kayo on how to activate TikTok Pay Later. Mahilig ka ba mag-shop online dito sa TikTok? Wala kang pambayad, cash on delivery man yan or hindi. So, sagot ka ni TikTok Pay Later, pwedeng-pwede tayong mamili dito. Kung hindi mo kabisado kung paano ba i-activate ang TikTok Pay Later mo, then ang video ito ay makakatulong sa iyo as your guide. Kaya wag na natin patagalin at start na natin. So, ang next step ay i-open mo lang dito yung TikTok app and then click mo lang. So, dito lang sa ating TikTok profile homepage, dito lang sa baba, kailangan mo lang itap dito yung shop. At dito lang sa ating shop, and then dito lang sa pinakataas, kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung Pay Later. Okay? So, kapag may nakita kang Pay Later dito, pwedeng-pwede na natin itong i-activate. So, kung wala ka pang makita ditong Pay Later, ibig sabihin, hindi pa available sa iyong account. Okay? Click mo lang dito yung Pay Later. And madadirect na tayo dito sa TikTok Pay Later. So, check my credit limit. So, by activating, you agree to TikTok terms and conditions with this privacy policy. So, pwede mo naman i-view yung kanyang terms and conditions bago tayo mag-proceed dito. At least may details ka kung ano ba yung tinatawag na TikTok Pay Later dito na kailangan natin sundin. So, trusted by 2 million users across Southeast Asia. It only takes 5 minutes to apply. Only 12 pesos minimum order, and then license by securities and exchange commissions. Safe na safe to itong gamitin. Then next, itap mo lang dito yung check my credit limit. And then, dito naman sa baba, so we need your consent to continue. By continuing, you acknowledge the TikTok Pay Later is provided by Financings Incorporated. So, itap mo lang dito yung continue. And then, create payment PIN for TikTok and TikTok Shop. So, this will be used to secure all your payments and finances on TikTok and TikTok Shop. Please remember your PIN and don't share it with anyone. So, kailangan lang natin mag-create dito ng 6-digit na PIN natin sa ating TikTok Shop. So, create lang tayo. At once nakapag-create ka na ng payment na 6-digit and then confirm your payment PIN, so kailangan mo ulit i-enter dito yung na-create mo na payment PIN para ma-confirm siya. Dapat tugma po yan. So enter lang natin. At once na-enter mo na dito yung 6-digit na payment PIN mo, and then kailangan mo lang itap dito yung next. Ayan, so verified na siya. So makita mo, the next, activate in one more steps. So nagawa na natin yung first step na create payment PIN, and the next, add your informations. Your details are required to determine your credit limit. The next, itap mo lang dito sa baba yung continue. And dito na tayo sa next step. So select ID. So ID type. So nandito yung mga ID na pwede natin i-select. Like yung PhilSys ID natin, ito yung national ID. Yung professional ID card, driver's license, ito yung mga recommended na pwede natin gamitin. Yung passport, UMID ID, postal ID, SSS, ayan. Okay, so since meron na tayong national ID, so ito yung gagamitin natin as recommended. And then iselect mo lang dito sa circular icon, dito lang sa right corner. Kapag naselect mo na dito yung PhilSys ID, yung gagamitin natin, din dito lang sa baba, itap mo lang dito yung continue. Okay, so next step, so get your PhilSys ID ready. So please make sure your ID is clearly visible. Ayan, so nandito naman yung kailangan natin sundin. So other informations, make sure you are in locations with good lighting for optimal result. Position your ID document within the camera frame. Okay, then bago tayo makapag-proceed, is-select mo lang muna dito yung circular icon dito sa left corner. I consent to. Okay, so i-select mo lang yung circular icon, and then kailangan mo lang itap dito yung continue. Then please prepare the documents for verifications, and then next, ito yung kailangan natin sundin mga kaibigan, nakalagay naman dito sa mobile screen. So madali lang naman ito sundan. Okay, then itap mo lang dito yung I am ready. So click mo lang. Ayan, so makita mo na success, and then scan back side. So yung sa likod po niya. Ayan, so nagawa na natin. So kailangan mo lang i-scan dito sa front niya and then dito sa back. And then next step, dito na tayo sa liveness verifications. So kailangan lang tayo mag-selfie verifications dito. No glasses, no hat, and then no mask. And then next, itap mo lang dito yung continue. And then dito lang sa frame yung mukha natin. Ayan, so automatic po yan once na nakapag-selfie ka na, hindi madadirect na tayo dito sa next step. So confirm your details. Ayan, so we've automatically collected these details from your uploaded ID. Before proceeding, make sure they are all correct. Okay, then next, i-double check lang natin dito yung informations ng ating ID, kung tama lahat, yung ating ID number, yung ID showing date, yung nationality, yung full name natin, yung place of birth, date of birth, and then yung ating address, and then yung ating gender. Kapag okay na yan lahat, kompleto na, at correct yung informations na nakuha nila sa details natin, itap mo lang dito yung continue. And dito na tayo sa next step na additional informations required. We need a little more informations from you. This won't take long. So itap mo lang dito yung continue dito lang sa baba. And then your details will be used to activate your TikTok Pay Later account. Your informations will be securely processed. Okay? So maglagay lang tayo dito yung ating email address na ginagamit. So fill out lang natin. Then next, after ng email, yung ating educations. Okay, so click mo lang dito yung arrow na yan. And then select mo lang dito yung educations kung pre-high school, diploma, college undergraduate, college postgraduate, technical vocational graduate. Okay, so select mo lang dito yung educations mo. And the next, dito na tayo sa marital status. So, click mo lang yan. So, dito naman kung ikaw ay single, married, divorced, or yung widow. So, select mo lang dito sa right corner yung marital status mo. Kapag na-select mo na yan, and then next, dito na tayo sa industry, kung saan ka ba nagtatrabaho. Okay, so click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then select mo lang dito kung ano yung industry ng pinagtatrabawan mo. Okay? Okay, then next, dito na tayo sa occupations or industry. Okay, so select mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then select lang natin dito kung anong occupations or industry. Kapag nakaselect ka na dito ng occupations at industry and then yung monthly income, kung magkano ba yung monthly income mo, i-click mo yung arrow na yan and then select ka lang dito. Then once nilagay mo na dito yung monthly income, then next, dito na tayo sa region or yung province. So, i-select mo lang ulit dito yung arrow na yan, and then select mo lang dito kung anong region ka or yung province. Kapag na-select mo na dito ang iyong province, then next, dito na tayo sa city. So, select mo lang dito kung anong city ka. Ayan. Alright, so region, province, and city yung isi-select natin dyan. Then next, enter mo lang dito yung address natin. At once nilagay mo na dito yung complete address mo and then dito na tayo sa postcode. So enter lang natin kung anong postcode yung area mo. Ayan. So once nilagay mo na dito yung postcode, okay, so dito sa Pangasinan, so nilagay ko na. Then relationship with you, okay, so select how they related to you. So dito naman kung parent ba yung ilalagay mo dito, friend, child, spouse, some family member, yung other. Okay, so select lang natin dito yung ating parents. So click mo lang. And then, contact full name. So, ilagay lang natin dito yung ating sinelect ko. So, since parents, friends, mga kaibigan, select ka lang doon and then enter lang natin yung kanyang pangalan. Ayan. So, once okay na lahat, okay, so makikita mo na dito yung complete informations. I-double check mo lang kung tama yung nilagay natin ng mga details dito. And then dito naman sa baba, kita mo dito na select your payment due date. Your payment due date will always fall on the same day each month. You can select a repayment due date that suit your financial status. So any purchases made in the last 15 days will be scheduled for repayment in the next month. So, select ka lang dito kung anong repayment due date mo, kung 1st of the month or 16th of the month. Alright, so select lang tayo dito. So, select lang natin yung 16th. Okay, so kapag okay na lahat, and then itap mo lang dito yung continue dito sa baba. And then, reviewing credit will send a message to your inbox once we confirm that the results of your credit review. So, kailangan lang natin hintayin yung kanilang approval dito sa TikTok Paylater kung na-approve tayo. And then, ayan, so makita mo na dito na congratulations, you have activated TikTok Paylater. The limit is, ito yung amount, and your next due date will be on February 16. Use it actively to potentially increase your limit and enjoy exclusive promotions. Ayan, so makita mo na dito na napakabilis lang talaga mag-activate yung TikTok Paylater natin. So makita mo na dito na successful na. So pwede ka na ditong mag-shop, i-click mo lang dito yung shop with TikTok Paylater. In hope na nakapagbigay ako ng konting kalaman at guide tungkol sa TikTok Paylater tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.